Look at the picture marked number 1. A.
Some people are handing out notepads.
B.
A man is holding a glass of water.
C.
A man and a woman are exchanging business cards.
D.
Some people are shaking hands.
Look at the picture marked number 2. A.
She is installing an ink cartridge.
B.
She is unplugging some equipment.
C.
She is refilling the paper tray.
D.
She is using a copy machine.
Look at the picture marked number 3. A.
One of the women is holding a coffee mug.
B.
The women are looking at a document.
C.
One of the women is typing on a computer.
D.
The women are wearing scarves.
Number 4.
Can I get you something to drink while you're waiting?
A.
Yes, please. Just some water.
B.
We're waiting in the main lobby.
C.
No, that link doesn't work.
Number 5.
When are they going to finish the building renovations?
A.
There are many reasons.
B.
600 square meters.
C.
They said by next week.
Number 6.
Is the meeting mandatory?
A.
In room 2A on the second floor.
B.
The restrooms are across the hall.
C.
No, I don't think so.
Number 7.
Could I borrow your pen for a moment?
A.
I'm too busy to meet tomorrow.
B.
Sure, here you are.
C.
Yes, we pay rent every month.
Number 8.
Is this office desk new?
A.
Yes, my old one was falling apart.
B.
He's not in his office at the moment.
C.
The third version is the best.
Number 9.
Cheryl hasn't replied to my email yet.
A.
I have to fly out on Sunday.
B.
She's on vacation this week.
C.
Could you save the file?
Questions 10 through 12 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, Tammy. This is Nicholas calling. The internet is down again, and I really need to get this confidentiality agreement to the law firm we're working with.
Why don't you call and get their fax number? The telephone lines are working fine.
I did, but nobody's picking up. I think their receptionist is on vacation this week, so it's hard to get a hold of anyone. Would you happen to have their business card on file? All their details are in my email, which I can't access right now.
Yes, I'm pretty sure I do. Ah, here it is. Let me read you the fax number. Do you have a pen to write with?
Number 10. What is the man's problem? Number 11. What does the man say about the law firm? Number 12. What will the woman probably do next? Questions 13 through 15 refer to the following message.
Hi, Mr. Jones. This is Maria Friedman from the Heller Consulting Group. We had scheduled a meeting for Tuesday at 10 o'clock. I'm afraid we'll have to reschedule because, as it turns out, I'll be out of the office at a conference. I'm sorry for the confusion. I can meet with you anytime on Wednesday, so please give me a call when you get a chance and let me know when would be convenient for you. I think you have it, but just in case you don't, my number is 555-0167, extension 234. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Number 13. What is the purpose of the message? Number 14. When does the woman say she is available to meet? Number 15. What does the woman ask Mr. Jones to do?